As the world of work is transforming rapidly with Gen AI, one of the biggest pain points that customers have is where do I deploy Gen AI, in what part of different functions? And at the same time, how do I make my people collaborate with these agents? There's a lot of fear about working with Gen AI and Gen AI taking away their jobs. That's the reason we joined as SkillsBridge. We joined the QuestionPro Marketplace because QuestionPro really brings in a lot of people insights to their customers. We believe we'll add a lot of value to their customers by helping them recognize which are the different parts of their organization where AI agents would be most effective. And then how do I advance humans to really collaborate with these agents? I look forward to a very interesting journey.